Hey girl, hey, what are you doing today? You might as well take a trip with me to the Kirklands and see what all the fun things that they have in store. Alright, so when's the last time you've been to Kirkland's? Looks like they have a lot of stuff out for summer, like, oh my gosh, look at that plaque. And they have a lot of yellows out and navy, so it looks like yellow and navy may be the color for summer, which makes sense because lemons are super popular. And I really like this laundry sign. Do you decorate your laundry? So look, they're the lemons that I talked about. They are super popular, especially if you pair them with white and black or buffalo plaid, which buffalo plaid is good for any time. But look, did y'all just spot that tier tray? All right, so I like Kirkland's because they have a lot of big home items that you can put in your house. So you can come to me for your tiered tray stuff, but I like to go to Kirkland's to get a little bit of the bigger wall pieces. But I do like those mini signs too. And so they have a lot of mirrors. Oh my gosh, do y'all see those arches? Oh my goodness. They're like mirror arches. Like I am obsessed with arches these days. Oh my gosh. Look there. All right, so let's see what else they have. They have lamps. Oh, I like that blue. It seems like blue, buffalo plaid, and yellow are like super trending. Are you using any of those colors in your house, in your home decor? All right, let me see what else they have. I kind of dig that little long sign there. There's some tier trays. Okay. They have some really cute mugs. They have a buffalo plaid mug. I might need to grab that. And let's see what else they got. I kind of like that blue chair there too. I don't really have a space for it. Do you have a space for it? There's a cute little family sign. Oh, what does that say? That says home sweet home. It looks like the thing that's kind of trending right now is like the different patterns. And I kind of like to use different patterns in my signs too. So looks like I'm right on trend. There's some really tall lamps. I never have had a really tall lamp in my house. More mirrors, and they have like a patriotic display. Like I really wish my house looked like that. Like I could have like a cute little display on a table like that. But I think you could probably find those same kind of runners with my friend Lisa over at Lisa's Little Things. Okay, here's some more things. Oh, there's like a little table. Let's see. They have really big flower decor. I like that big old home sign down there at the bottom. It reminds me of our home sign that goes in our home sweet home tray. I wonder if that lady thinks I'm weird. All right, let's think. So, oh, that horse is kind of interesting. It's kind of a rusticy boho kind of feel to it. Oh, how about these little lanterns? What do y'all think about those? Are y'all using those in your decor? I noticed that there was tons of these lanterns in Kirkland, so I really think they must be super popular these days. Those signs are really cute. But those lanterns, oh, I need to grab one or two of those. See, you see how many lanterns they have out? Then there's really cute buffalo plaid chair. Like, would you put a buffalo plaid chair in your home? I think I would. There's more lanterns. I really feel like we need to be adding more lanterns to our decor. And more arches. I like how the different shapes of those arches too. So I think the takeaway from this trip is yellow, navy, and lemons are still in. Buffalo plaid is always going to be in. And then I think arches and lanterns are the new statement pieces. That's what I think anyways. Let's stay home. What's over here? Oh, they're already starting to look some greenery. Looks like they have lots of greenery, like that little puppy. So somebody asked me one time, where do I get my greenery? And typically I get my greenery at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or so. But I never have really thought to get them at Hobby Lobby. No, I'm sorry, at Kirkland's. I'm not really sure. Does anybody know how often that kind of thing goes on sale at Michael's? And see, Rodney's pointing at this really cute little wreath, but they have a whole wall dedicated to greenery. So it may be some place to go to get some greenery items, Kirkland's. All right, girls, we're almost at the end of our trip. Let me know if Kirkland's is one of your go-to places. And if you went shopping this weekend, let me know in the comments where you went to go shopping. So see you next time.